Hi, I'm coming today with some haul stuff, and it's pretty cool. Let's slide my chair over here a little bit. Okay, so first off, I got these things from StichedUpDesigns, and this lady lives in the same town I do. I found her on Kelly Barlow's channel, and I really wanted to support. I like to support people. Oh, these are so cute. They weren't that much. They were about $4 or something. She sells on Etsy. It's called Stitched Up Cut Designs, and you can download them, or you can have her send you some. But since my computer's acting crazy, hopefully I'll get to buy a new one pretty soon. Look at these, are so cute. I know I can cut out things like this on my Cricut, but I still think these are so cute. I love bees, because I call myself Jackie Bee. The little honey pot. I think those are adorable. Check her out. Stitched Up Cut Designs. That's where you can find her. And especially since she's a local homegrown girl. A cow. The chicken. I know a lot of times you think, well, I can do that myself, but like I say, I really like to support small business. I think it's good for the economy. It's good to spread kindness, like I say. It's good to encourage people to go out on their own. So, very cute. Yeah, they were $4 a piece. So very, very cute. Now this one, I'm really excited about this one. I have a friend on YouTube who makes wood, and he always comes on Indiana Jones live channels, and we talk, and we're friends on YouTube. And he just got COVID just like right at Christmas time, and he's still recovering. And I said I'd order something, but then I looked at it and I noticed he had stuff in his shop. And the woodworking, he sent Annie a snowman to make over. Oh my God, it was just incredible. So anyway, I just thought when he gets feeling better, I think I'll order something else. But he's called The Messy Studio. His name's Billy Burt. There's his card. That's good. Put your finger over it. He said, "Thank you so much, Jackie. I truly appreciate and hope you like it." He's retired. And like I say, he does woodwork. And oh my gosh, he packed this very nicely. Whoa. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. Wonder if he used cedar. I'll have to write and ask him. But he puts his name on the bottom. But look at how cute this is. Isn't that gorgeous? And you should go check out Indiana Jones's channel and see what she did with the snowman. Oh my God, it was so cute. He sent stick arms and everything. So you need to check out Billy's channel and his website to see what he's got for sale. He makes the most beautiful vases. Okay. This is just some stuff I ordered. Oh yeah. Just some of my keto goodies. And, oh, some copper tape. I want to make some copper jewelry, and I didn't have any tape. Haven't had any for a while. But what you do is, say you've got a piece of turquoise or something, or a piece of glass or something like this, you put the tape around the edge of it, and it sticks, and then you solder over it. I have to bring out my things one day and show you. Okay, now here's what I'm really excited about. Hold on while I open it. Okay, this is from a company. Let me get this right. It's called WIBARGIN.com. They get leftovers from companies. A lot of these companies charge you restocking fees, which is a bunch of hooey because they never restock these things. A lot of places, if you send it back, they just put it in returns and end up selling it to companies for cheaper. And this is a company that does this. And I saw this on the DIY Crafty Guy and Jamie, and I guess quite a few of us saw it, and we ordered the Amazon return home stuff because they had clothes, but I'm a large size and they're not going to have my sizes in there, and they're, you know, you never know, you're not going to get the right size shoe. But anyway, this is Target Home Goods. So I thought the Target clothing, and they have Amazon things too. And then they have massive pallets for like $300 or maybe it's $1,000 or something like that, where you get a pallet, big pallet of things. This was $125, and so I'm excited to see what we get in here. And I thought, oh, I'll do an unveiling. And I paid for this myself. They didn't give it to me, so we'll see. And most of this is like brand new. Oh, looks like a sheet. Huh, wonder what size it is. It's a nice sheet. Threshold. And it's a full fitted black. I don't have any full mattresses, but you know what? I could always cut this up and use it for other things. But it's a nice sheet. It's got some gathered corners. Now, most of mine are queen or twin. I have a twin bed. I know you say twin. I have a Tempur-Pedic bed, and it goes up and down. The feet go up and the head goes up, and it's really nice because my husband's a kicker at night, and it doesn't bother me because he has his own mattress and I have mine. Ooh, this is heavy. Oh, wow. Look at this. Isn't that nice? Professional AC motor. Infinity Pro by Conair. Wow, it's got the diffuser and the concentrator. 1875 watts. Very nice. Okay. All right. I got some flip-flops. These were on clearance for $1.49. They're size 7. Maybe I can give them away to somebody. Oh, looks like a t-shirt. It actually looks like it was worn. It's an XXL. Maybe that'll fit me. I don't know if it's a man or a woman's. But it's kind of all pilled up like somebody, not unless somebody wore it and dry it and then didn't like it and took it back. I don't know. The brand is Universal Thread. Interesting. Oh, cute. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Look how cute those are. They're a toddler's size 3T. Gosh, I gotta think of who's got a toddler. But they're so cute. There's 2 pair of them. Or I could cut the legs off and make gnomes out of them. Always thinking. Oh shoot. It's a costume of a parrot for a dog, but it's an extra small. So my sister has a small dog. Maybe I'll have to give it to her. I guess this is the hood. And this is the body. That's the body. Interesting. One single placemat. It's nice. You could either use it for crafts or just put it on the middle of the table to put food on, the dishes on. Oh, I hope these fit. I hope these fit. 10-pack, amazing value. 10 briefs. No, size 7 large. No, won't work. Size 7 large fits 12 to 14, hips 40 to 41, and 102 to 104 centimeters. I can always take them to the women's shelter or YWCA or homeless shelter or whatever. Oh, this is nice. This is definitely something I could use. I put it in the sink, and it's got suction cups. Heavy aluminum metal. Huh. Well, that's cool. I like that. Oh, more Disney stuff. I wish I had some littles. 3T. Well, I have to think about who I've got to have a 3T. If not, write and tell me and I'll send it to you. I'll just have you pay for shipping. Oh, Arizona State Sun Devils. My sister lives in Arizona. Maybe she would like it. But I could always wear it in the meantime. It's got the back that opens. Of course, my husband, he's not adverse to wearing, but he's got a huge head. Well, that might fit him. Oh, wow. Okay. I don't think he'll use this for what it's supposed to be for. It says the Lawnmower 3.0, designed for growing grooming. Boy, I sure hope nobody used this. It looks sealed, so he may use it on his neck, but he's not going to use it the way it's intended. Oh, I definitely can use this. The Wide World paper. Oh, and it's got envelopes in there. I'm always writing down ideas. And the last thing, oh, it's not my size. Men Sleep Family. Oh, well, my husband would maybe wear this. It's an extra large, and it's a man's. But look how cute. So that was kind of an interesting bunch of stuff. I'm sure it cost much more, and these were originally sold for $25. So made part of the money back. If it was stuff I could use, maybe. I'm not sure if I'll order one again. I might try the Amazon, but they were sold out. So it says supposed to be home things, and I got a couple of home things, but most of it, or quite a bit of it, is clothing. But we'll see if I can find places to give it away. The jammies, I think, could probably go to the women's shelter also. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye until next time. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell so you know when I'm coming on. I'm up to 695, almost 700. I'm getting there. And as I like to say, spread kindness. We need it in this world. Bye.